right to her. Alright, that's good, but that's where I wanted that one. So I'm gonna come back around. Pop it down right beside it. That one right there, that's what's left over from giving them to yesterday morning. So 36 hours later, that's what they have left. All right, T-Bo, we're good. All right, T-Bo, this is the last gate. We're going through our last gate, and then we'll be out here. Is that right, T-Bo? Trying to ruin everything by doing all that cussing out here. That's a racket, T-Bo. All right, T-Bob. You did good today.